Here we go. I want you to look at table 2.4 under non-nutritive sweeteners, and these are the ones that are approved for use in the United States. So if you look at suet or sweet 1, that is about 200 times sweeter than table sugar. These are comparatives to table sugar or sucrose. If you then look at aspartame, also in the form of NutraSweeten equal, that's anywhere from 160 to 220 times sweeter than table sugar. Then you look at this, sucralose at the bottom, or Splenda, that's about 600 times sweeter than table sugar. But then look at this, Neotane, or NutraSweet. That is anywhere from 7,000 to 13,000 times sweeter than table sugar. And then you get saccharin, sweet and low, and sugar twin. That's about